This is a pack of earbuds from JLab. It is available in multiple color choices. This one is called Midnight. It comes in a travel-friendly charging case. The case size is about 2.5 inches. There you go. Simply pop the case open, and it auto-connects to your device for music, talking, and taking calls. The design looks extremely compact, and each bud has a built-in microphone for crisp and clear phone calls. Left and right buds are clearly marked. Gel tips feel soft, and you get 3 sets of gel tips in the box. It comes in small, medium, and large sizes. The gel tips are easy to replace. The package also includes an instruction manual. Simply touch here to control the volume, soundtrack, and calls. It comes with an integrated USB cable to charge the case. Let's connect with a wall charger. This is when it is not charging. And the blinking blue indicates that the buds are charging. Overall, loaded with features, these earbuds are nicely designed, easy to set up and use, and this pack is highly recommended.